Hey cooking lovers, how are you? Today I will show you how to make the best ever plain pulao with Bangladeshi style. First, we need basmati rice 1 kilograms, onion 1 cup, green chili 4 to 5 pieces, garam masala, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, fry onion 1 cup, ghee 2 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon rose water, salt to taste, milk 1 cup. First, put the pot on the stove on medium heat and give oil and ghee to tablespoon. Then add hot spices, bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and stir for a while. After the ingredients are done, stir lightly with onions until light brown color. Then we will stir for a little more time with ginger garlic paste. Now we pour the basmati rice in the pot and keep stirring. After stirring for a while, when the nice smell comes out and neat, then you have to understand that the rice is done. Then we will add 4.5 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. Then cover the pot with a lid. Then we add 5 to 6 green chilies. This time I'll cover it with a lid. When the rice is 80%, open the lid and shake it lightly. This time I will give 1 teaspoon of rose water. Then sprinkle the onion on the barista rice and cover it again for 5 minutes. Our delicious plain white pulao is ready. Serve hot this time.